Hi, this is Shruti from Lama to India. I hope you people know us via our Instagram post, wherein I keep posting about our loving Ishika or Ishu or Gugu. You must have heard the names. So today we thought of we should post something on YouTube which can be very helpful for anybody who's dealing with muscular dystrophy. First and foremost, stop treating your child as tension to you. Stop that, okay? Start living your life really happily. That's the only request I can do. Now, for today's video, we have requested one of our Dr. Richa Sangal, to be present and show us some exercises which can be helpful for our children who are dealing with muscular dystrophy.
Hello, hi, I'm Dr. Richa, physical therapist. See here, I'm taking care of the child who is Lama 2. If you don't know about Lama 2, I just want to brief you about it a little bit. It's a muscular dystrophy, it's a congenital muscular dystrophy where child lacks a certain protein called Lama 2 and their muscles are not that active and they're not able to lift their muscles and like contract that contraction and relaxation is not happening in them. So because of that, they are not able to do all these activities of their daily living. So here I am trying to help her out so that she is be able to be do all those activities which she can't do independently. So basically in this child, the limb girdle, like the shoulder girdle and the pelvic girdle are the two main concerns. So in her case, right now I'm concentrating on the shoulder girdle muscles. Shoulder girdle muscles are basically the scapular muscles and the humeral upper, like all those deltoids. She is not able to lift her arm up beyond this, and she can do all these activities in only the 0 degree of shoulder movement. Like she can do this, she can do this, she can try to eat something, but this movement is not there. So we are trying so that she can raise her hand, and we are giving little support so that she can climb the wall like this, so that she can take out, because her favorite activity is bangles. So you can also figure out your child's favorite activity, and it's a very simple setup because you can do at home. These are all those sticky. You can easily find them on Amazon. We can provide the link also for the Amazon where you can find them, and you can just stick it on the mirror, and you can place some bangles and you can place some little small balls over it, so that these are more attractive to the kids. They want these bangles to be put and just take out all these small balls. So that's how we are trying so that she can climb it like this. But though she is not able to, we have to give her support. Just see how we are trying. And here I am taking care of this child. She is 1.5 years old. She has Lama 2 and she is not able to lift her hand beyond this. So her elbows are working fine, but her shoulder and scapular muscles are weak. Like hold her different things and hold this bangle and take them out if she could be able to. But since she is not able to do independently, I have to support it a little bit from here. So let's see if she can do. ये बैंगल ट्राई करो, इशू ट्राई करो बैंगल. 1 2 3 गो. ये वाला बैंगल, ये बुआ को दे दो. ये वाला बैंगल दे दो, चूल दे दो. यस थैंक यू. चलो अब दूसरा दो. यहाँ हैंड रखो, करो ऊपर लेके जाओ. वेरी गुड. ट्राई. यस ट्राई. वाओ. Yes. No, let's try this one. Come on. You should try. Yes. Hold of this. No. Help yourself. Oh. Thank you. One more. Come on. Climb up, Ishu. Climb with these supports. Come on. Climb. Try to climb. Wow. Good. Yes. Try. Try to climb with your fingers. Very nice. एक और बॉल ट्राई कर. clap. Oh wow. चलो अब ये वाली इसको ध्यान से निकाल लेते हैं. Try. दादी को बोलो दादी पहनो, दादी पहनो. नेक्स्ट यस, ट्राई दिस. यस, दादी पहनो. वेरी गुड. वन मोर. चलो लेट्स गो. 3. दादी पहनो. चलो वन मोर. दादी पहनो. चलो करो करो ट्राई. पुल इट. कम ऑन टेक इट. यस, दादी को दो. दादी पहनो. चलो अब आओ, ऊपर आओ, यहाँ पे आओ. इसको जाओ यहाँ पे कंट्रोल होल्ड करो और ऊपर जाओ. ट्राई करो ऊपर.
I hope you have liked the video she has explained, and keep watching us. And if you like it, please subscribe us, like us, and do share us. Please talk, share, and spread the word that muscular dystrophy is real. Watch us.